Ayan, guys. Ayan, we're trying to do this. Ayan. Made in Italy. Yan siya. Binili pa sa Italy, guys. Char. Ayan. Wow, this is very complicated to do. Han? Sige. Balik ka na, mag-work ka na muna. Okay lang, uy. Mikay. Share mo na lang sa mga nandyan sa kung sinong available dyan. Na angel. Yeah. So, okay, we need to put that one. That. Yan. I think whatever facing, we'll just push it. It's okay. And whatever available, we'll just push it. So next, yan guys, ang next na, yan, foosball. Tawag nila foosball. Pang indoor, pang winter. Ganda ng kahoy ng ano rin, no? Italy. Yeah. Go banyo. Oh, wow, there's a lot of this Kettler USA. They do foosball.
So where is it?
She find it.
See these ones?
Yeah. Okay.
I wonder if I should put just a little bit of...
Lube?
Nope, not lube. We would put soap and then it would dry out.
Oh. Soap?
Yep. When you do soap, like, and then it dries.
And then it will be like...
When you oil, it never dries.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, soap would be... Wash it with soap?
Yeah, and put it on there.
Ah, okay.
Do you use soap to tighten the handle down? Question mark. Because it dries out.
Uy, may anak na si Mikay. Ilan taon na yung anak mo, Mikay? May asawa na si Mikay.
Best way to put the handles on your foosball spindles. Oh, spindle?
Uy, November 26, 21. Ayan. Hindi kasi kumakain si Mikay eh. Kumain ka, Mikay? Ayan. Magaling na ba yung asawa mo, Mikay? Nagtatrabaho na. Ayan, guys. Pagoda tuloy ako. So, na yung assistant natin. So, malapit na mag-birthday si Mikay. Happy birthday, Mikay. Advance. Okay. Oh. Okay.